Thinking of starting a home health agency in Georgia? With an aging population and increased demand for in-home care, now is the perfect time. Let's walk through the key steps to launch your agency and start helping people in the comfort of their own homes. First, it's essential to understand your market. Conduct surveys, gather data, and analyze local demand. You'll want to know the needs of your community and identify any competitors in your area. By doing this, you'll gain valuable insights that will shape your business. Next, you'll need a solid business plan. Outline your agency's mission, set realistic goals, and create financial projections. A well-thought-out plan will guide your operations and show investors or lenders that you're serious about making a difference in home health care. Now for the paperwork. To operate legally in Georgia, you need several key licenses. Start with a certificate of need, and then register your business with the necessary state and federal agencies. Don't forget about Medicare accreditation. It's critical if you plan to serve Medicare patients. Compliance is crucial to maintaining your agency's credibility and license. Stay up to date on state regulations, adhere to staffing requirements, and follow strict patient privacy guidelines. Above all, prioritize high-quality care, as this impacts patient outcomes and your agency's reputation. Starting a home health agency in Georgia can be complex, but you don't have to do it alone. Consulting services like Care Policy US can guide you through every step, from market research to regulatory compliance. With the right plan and support, you can build a successful agency that makes a positive impact in your community. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on starting and growing your home health agency. See you next time.